My new hat. I don't even like getting that bad boy dirty. I'm gonna put that up and use that on next video. And if you want to buy one, just go to the store that Jolene set up. You can get whatever you want. Just going to tack the end. Just going to run it. Dot, 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 dot. Put the wheel in shut. See the other one? Had to go too quick. Too quick. I'll step back and hit a little more weld on that in case I need for grinding. When you have, I had quite a bigger gap on this one, and when you're welding like that, you'd be afraid to burn through. So every time when you put a auto spot of weld down, you think you're going to burn through, and you do a trigger, make sure you put that welder halfway on top of the one you had just done. That way there, you're not going to burn through. You can see where I had a gap going on there. Now, it's a fair gap going in there. Now I want to put that wire right on top of halfway on top of that one there. When I plug it on, then that way there I know I'm not going to burn through what's going on. Also, there'll be no pinholes or anything like that for water or anything like that to get in. That stuff there, no water's going to get in that anyways because it's going to be closed off at both ends. Get this cleaned up. Can't clean it up on the truck or else I would.